Hey there, today I will show you how to change shipping rates in Shopify, and here is how. Okay, so the first step is to head over to your Shopify dashboard. Once you are there, simply navigate to Settings and then click on Shipping and Delivery. Here, we are in the shipping settings. Now, you will see your general shipping rates listed. To make changes, just click on the specific rate you want to adjust. For example, let us say we want to tweak our shipping rate for the Philippines. As you can see, we've got our pricing set up by weight. But let us switch it up. Click on those three dots and select Edit Rate. Now, you will have the option to remove conditional pricing. Let us go for a custom rate. How about 300 pesos for shipping? Click on Price and then enter the rate. Simple, right? Now, here is a neat trick. Offering free shipping can easily boost sales. Just enter a name like free shipping and set the rate to 0. Customers love seeing that magic word, free. Once you are done, click Save and watch those conversions climb. Do not forget about international shipping. You can easily customize rates for different countries by editing the zones. Add or remove countries as needed. And remember to hit Save. And there you have it. Changing shipping rates on Shopify is a breeze. I hope you found this tutorial helpful.